Have you ever heard of pen spinning? Well, if you clicked on this video, chances are you probably know at least a little about what it is. But did you know that pen spinning is actually one of the smaller skill toy hobbies now? At least compared to other skill toy hobbies like kendama and others? Sure, basically everyone has a pen, but why does no one know what pen spinning is? Pen spinning needs skill, like a lot of it. Okay, sure, pen spinning needs skill, but do you know what else needs skill and is super popular? What? Maybe that rhythm game known as Osu? I'm sure everyone here has at least seen a clip or two of someone doing something crazy looking on this game. But why does everyone seem to know what Osu is when pen spinning is being left in the dust? This is most likely because of the skill perception from others. Osu is undoubtedly super simple to understand. You click circles to the beat of the music. Shouldn't pen spinning also be super simple to understand? You make the pen spin around your fingers. Sure, but that's just barely scratching the surface of it actually. Osu still keeps the same structure even at extremely high level of play, and it's obvious how impressive looking it is at a high level. But pen spinning, on the other hand, some may argue that it actually looks less impressive the better you become. In fact, that's exactly what I'm arguing in this video. What evidence do I have? First of all, you're probably a pen spinner, so this might not work for you, but just play along anyway. Between these three, which looks the best and like it takes the most amount of skill? If you're like my friend who doesn't spin pens, you'll say this one looks bad, this one looks really bad, and this one is quote-unquote ultra pro. This was actually a trick question because these two are two of the best combos of 2021 and display insane levels of technical skill and creativity, where the finger pass record sure is impressive, but it's nowhere near what makes up pen spinning. The creator of this combo, which won by the way, said he spent an insane amount of time practicing that combo, starting nearly 4 years prior, 30 minutes a day for 2 years for a 2-second part clip, 20 to 40 minutes a day in 2018, 40 to 60 minutes a day in 2020, and 1 hour a week for another 2-second clips for 1 to 1.5 years. You can read more about this in his blog, but anyway, do you think my friend saying that it looked bad was a fluke? I went on to observe what other non-spinners thought of different types of spinning. They would almost always disregard the harder ones and praise the fast and spammy spinning. You still even think spinning fast is super impressive, most likely as a beginner spinner as well. I know I definitely did. It's only after you've been spinning for at least a year consistently do you really understand what's happening in some of the more advanced linkages and combos. The sad part is that 99% of people quit pen spinning before they even realize how good people can get. The skill difference between this and this is massive, but you have no idea unless you were already a decent spinner. But since you're not, you think there's not much to pen spinning and quit. Getting to the point where it's actually impressive looking to non-spinners is very, very, very easy compared to doing something like this. But even then, learning your fundamentals is already too hard for most people. To somewhat explain the levels of skill in pen spinning, I've made a Spindy's Discord server where you can level up between levels 1 through 5, so beginners can actually understand where they are in the rankings, and where they want to get to. If you want to know what pen spinning level you are, join the first link in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time.